I was really talking about windows, cleaning windows, wasn't I? See here, see down here. Remember I told you I had a couple windows? Well, I got this one to do all the way around. I've already cleaned it once, just scraped it raw first. Now I'm going to have to do it with the fine-tooth comb like I did those other ones. And then I've got to go around this whole thing. I've already scraped. See, like I say, I've already got it ready to start cleaning with the simple green and the scouring pad, and then I'll look at it with a fine-tooth comb and clean it and wipe off little bits of excess paint that I didn't get off the first time. Okay, this time I went all the way up because this is the sheetrock edge, goes all the way, boom. When I get done with that, it's gonna look just like the other ones. Nice and pretty. Now in this window, talking about shades and blinds and stuff, this had a roll-up shade in the back of vinyl, and it worked really good, and it was kind of had plastic ends to it and stuff. And then there was a curtain rod over the top of that with some curtains here. And I wasn't sure what was going to happen. What I should have done, my loss is your gain, right? What I should have done was taken a picture of this with the blind pulled down a little bit, showing it, the color and the type, and then taking a picture of the curtains hanging here, just in case we decided not to put it back up. Then I could put it on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. As it is now, the blind is a rolling one, you know, that you pull down, and then I can't really show it in the window now, can I? All I got is something on the floor that I can show somebody. They won't know what sort of condition it's in or how the ends get connected or anything like that. So again, my loss is your gain. Make sure you take pictures of stuff like that, especially if you're thinking about selling them. Since we're talking about selling things on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, what other things might I have been able to sell? Well, ceiling fan. I took the ceiling fan down. The ceiling fan looks fine. But I'm going to have to, before I put it back up, I'm going to have to confirm with Mommy if she likes it. I should have done that prior to taking it down. And then I should have taken a picture of it, right? She might not like it. She might not want to put it back up. Now it's all in parse. I'll have to take a picture of it in parse, and then I could sell it. And I got towel bars that I took down that aren't going back up, towel rings, toilet paper holders. This light fixture, I might not put it back up. Mommy might want something with bling. She likes bling. And so the old light fixture that was up there, I don't think it's going back up, but I could sell it. Why throw it away? You know, make some money on it. Same thing with the light fixtures. I took a light fixture out there. I'm thinking she's okay with that. And all the shelves, I thought she was okay with all the shelves. I took them all down, and now she's like, oh, I don't like that kind of shelf. And I'm like, what? I think I talked her into keeping the pre-finished white wired shelving, you know, and but if she didn't like it, I should have reviewed that with her before I took them down, right? Then I could have taken a picture of it, show people what they're getting for their money. What else? What else? The wall sconces. I think we're okay with the wall sconces. There was four wall sconces here. I think we're gonna be installing those, but you know, there's something else that could be sold. The washer and dryer could be sold instead of when they come with the new ones. Yeah, just haul those away. You know, we could just have them, set them in the garage, and I could sell them if I was energetic enough to do that. And there's another light fixture in here. I doubt very seriously it's going back up. And what else we got? There was another light fixture here. If she doesn't like it, we can sell that. And let's just go downstairs here real quick. I'll show you a couple more things. She had a light fixture here that kind of squigglied out with 4 halogen bulbs on it. Well, we could probably sell that. A ceiling fan that went up here. If she doesn't want it, we could sell that. Do you hear the trend here? Sell, sell, sell. That's money in your pocket. What's the other thing? Well, remember I told you on all of, if you've been watching, you know when I put the doors back up, she's gonna want them all with new colored hinges. She likes the nickel hinges when initially they were brass. Okay, all that's gonna be changed out. All the handles were like this paddle handle, this is a passage. No, this is a keyed, sorry. But it's all Schlage handles. The deadbolt is coming off. This keyed lock is coming off. I have passage handles in here, privacy handles, and all that. All that could be sold. Here's something else. See this toilet? We're gonna get rid of it. Works fine, but see, it's a short one. It's the small bowl. Maybe that's exactly what you're needing. You know, we're gonna get a little bit taller one, a handicap style one, which sits up a little bit higher and is also elongated, meaning the toilet bowl, the toilet seat comes out a little bit further. Okay, so that's perfect for somebody. Don't you think you could sell that for 40 bucks? $45, probably $30, anything. I don't know what we're gonna do with it, but there's something else that could be sold. So think about all that kind of stuff when you're remodeling, because you know, I tell you what, Facebook Marketplace, you might be able to sell a slew of things that you never really thought about selling. Okay, I want to make you some money as you're saving. Look at this, you're saving money by doing it yourself. You're making money by selling the things that you thought you were going to throw away. And that's actually making all the things, all your painting material cheaper, all of your tools cheaper, all of your new handles cheaper, because you're making money by selling the old stuff and different things you weren't even thinking about selling. Okay? All right. Thought you would enjoy that. Give you some ideas. Speaking of ideas, I think this refrigerator is going to be sold. It's a GE Eterna series. Never heard of it. It's nice. There's nothing wrong with it. I like it. Nothing wrong with it. But she wants a new one. She wants, oh, here's all my Diet Cokes when I work here. She wants, you know, because she's going to get different appliances, then obviously she wants everything to match. I don't think I have no idea what she's doing color-wise or anything like that, but she seems to feel she can get a nicer one than this. I have no idea. But there's something else. Oh, that thing could be sold for $200, $250 probably. At least. The thing's not that old. So there you go. Think about all those different things. Put your thinking cap on. Hey, it's up to you to save and make that money.